Ever felt like your money just vanishes into thin air? You're not alone. But fear not, fellow money-conscious friend. Today, we're diving deep into the world of budgeting, and we're using a powerful tool to help you take control of your finances, PocketGuard. Let's face it, budgeting can be a drag. It's tedious, time-consuming, and often downright boring. But with the right tool, it can be a breeze. That's where PocketGuard comes in. It's a personal finance app that automates a lot of the heavy lifting, making budgeting a painless process. Step-by-step guide. 1. Download and set up. Download the app. The first step is to download the PocketGuard app. It's available on both iOS and Android. Link your accounts. Once you've downloaded the app, you'll need to link your bank accounts. Don't worry, your information is safe and secure. Set your budget goals. This is where the magic happens. Set specific goals, like saving for a vacation or paying off debt. PocketGuard will help you track your progress and stay motivated. 2. Understanding the dashboard. Income and spending. The dashboard gives you a clear overview of your income and spending. You can see how much you've earned and spent in a specific period. Spending categories. PocketGuard automatically categorizes your spending, making it easy to identify areas where you might be overspending. Savings goals. Your savings goals will be displayed prominently on the dashboard, along with your progress towards each goal. 3. Creating a budget. Set monthly limits. Use the app to set monthly spending limits for different categories, such as groceries, dining out, and entertainment. Adjust as needed. Remember, budgets are flexible. You can adjust your spending limits as your financial situation changes. Track your progress. PocketGuard will track your spending against your budget limits, giving you real-time insights into your financial health. 4. Tips and tricks. Use savings goals. Set specific savings goals and let PocketGuard help you reach them. Automate savings. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account to ensure consistent savings. Review your spending. Regularly review your spending habits to identify areas where you can cut back. Use cashback opportunities. Take advantage of cashback offers and rewards programs to boost your savings. Set reminders. Set reminders to check your budget and make adjustments as needed. By following these simple steps and leveraging the power of PocketGuard, you can take control of your finances and achieve your financial goals. Remember, budgeting isn't about restricting yourself, it's about making informed choices about how you spend your money. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy budgeting.